How to find registration code for Amazon Prime Video, Tutorial 2026. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use a registration code for Amazon Prime Video. If you're trying to set up Prime Video on your smart TV, Fire TV, Roku, or any streaming device, this tutorial walks you through the exact steps. Let's get started. A registration code is a 5 to 6 character alphanumeric code like KUNYJ7. It links your streaming device to your Amazon Prime Video account. It appears on your device's screen during setup. You then enter this code on a computer or phone to activate the device. On your smart TV or streaming device, open the Prime Video app. If you haven't installed it yet, search your device's app store for Prime Video, download and install the official app. Once installed, open it. The app displays two options. Option 1, sign in and start watching. This lets you enter your Amazon email and password directly on your device. Option 2, register on the Amazon website. This generates a registration code. Choose option 2 if you don't want to type your password on your TV. A 5 to 6 character code appears on your TV screen. Write it down carefully. The code looks something like KUNYJ7. Some devices show a QR code instead. You can scan this with your phone if you prefer. If you see a QR code, scan it with your smartphone camera. Your phone will automatically take you to the registration page. If there's no QR code, write down the 6-letter code. On your phone or computer, open a web browser. Type in the address bar, amazon.com/midev. This is the official Prime Video registration page. If that URL doesn't work, try Amazon.com code or amazon.com/gp/video/ontv/code. All three URLs take you to the same registration page. On the registration website, sign in with your Amazon account. Use the email address and password for your Amazon Prime account. If you don't have an Amazon account, create one now. Make sure you're creating an account with an active Prime subscription. Prime Video requires an active subscription. Look for a text box labeled Enter Device Code or Registration Code. Type the 6-letter code from your TV exactly as it appears. Do not add spaces or dashes. Type it exactly. Capital or lowercase usually doesn't matter, but try to match what you see. Once you've entered the code, click the Register Device button. The website processes the code. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Your TV screen will also update and confirm that the device has been registered. Once registered, your TV should return to the Prime Video home screen. You now have access to all Prime Video content. Start browsing and watching immediately. The device is now linked to your account. First, verify you entered the code exactly as shown. Do not add extra spaces or characters. Second, check if the code expired. Most codes last several minutes. If more than 10 minutes have passed, generate a new code. Third, restart your TV, turn it off completely. Wait 10 seconds, turn it back on. Try entering the code again. Fourth, check your internet connection. Make sure your TV has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Fifth, ensure you're using the same Amazon account on both your TV and the computer where you entered the code. If the code method isn't working, use direct sign-in instead. On your TV, when prompted, select Sign In and start watching. Type your Amazon email address using your TV remote. Type your password, log in directly. This skips the code entirely. Once logged in, you have access to Prime Video. This method works if you have your password available and don't mind typing it on your TV. Once you've registered devices, you can see them in your account. Log into your Amazon account on a computer. Go to Settings or Account Settings. Find Manage Your Devices or Device Linking. You'll see a list of all devices registered to your Prime Video account. You can deregister old devices you no longer use. Set up a 4-digit PIN to control registrations if you share your account with family. Use the same Amazon account on both your TV and the registration website. If you use different accounts, the registration won't link properly. The registration code is unique to that registration session. Once you use a code, it becomes inactive. If you need to re-register the device, request a new code. Keep your Amazon password secure. Never share your registration code or Amazon password with others. Open Prime Video app on your device. Select Register on the Amazon website. Note the 6-character registration code. Go to amazon.com/midev on your phone or computer. Sign in to your Amazon account. Enter the registration code. Click Register Device. Confirm on your TV. Start streaming. That's it. If this tutorial helped you register Prime Video on your device, please like and subscribe for more streaming setup guides. Comment below and tell me which device you're registering Prime Video on. Thanks for watching.